Well, these breaking inputs we are tracking in from Mumbai, where 22-year-old Navi Mumbai woman killed. Her body was now found in bushes near the railway station. Investigation is still underway and the accused is on the run. Now, BJP leader Kirti alleges love jihad angle in this entire incident that has unfolded from Navi Mumbai. Now, remember, 22-year-old Navi Mumbai woman was killed. Now her body has been found near the bushes near the railway station and investigations are underway. Accused is on the run and the BJP leader Kirti is alleging love jihad angle. Let's take a look at some of the reactions that we are getting on this report.
नवी मुंबई के उरण में जिस तरह से एक 22 साल की लड़की का शव मिला है, बेहद ही निर्ममता से उसकी हत्या की गई है, उसको लेकर उरण के लोग बेहद ही आक्रोशित हैं और इस पूरे मामले में न्याय की मांग वो कर रहे हैं। पुलिस स्टेशन पर जो उरण के तमाम निवासी हैं वो एक मोर्चा लेकर पहुंचे हैं और इस मोर्चे में सीधा उनकी मांग यही है कि जो आरोपी है उसे तुरंत गिरफ्तार किया जाए, उसके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाए। लेकिन जिस तरह से ये पूरा मामला सामने आया है वाकई बेहद ही चौंकाने वाला है। जो बॉडी मिली है यहाँ से करीब 2 किलोमीटर दूर जो जंगल का इलाका है वहां पर जो 22 साल की यशस्वी शिंदे है उसकी बॉडी मिली, जिसके बाद तमाम जो उरण के लोग हैं वो बड़ी संख्या में अब पुलिस स्टेशन पहुंचे हैं न्याय मांगने के लिए। इस पूरे मामले में आरोपी की अब तक कोई गिरफ्तारी पुलिस के द्वारा नहीं की गई है। मामला दर्ज किया गया है लेकिन अब तक आरोपी फरार है और इसी को लेकर तमाम जो उरण के लोग हैं वो आक्रोशित नजर आ रहे हैं। एक मोर्चा लेकर यहाँ पर बाकायदा पहुंचे हैं। आप संख्या देख सकते हैं तमाम उरणवासी के तमाम जो लोग हैं, क्योंकि ये जो पूरा इलाका है उरण का, यहीं पर वो घटना हुई है और उस घटना के बाद से लगातार जो लोग हैं वो बेहद आक्रोशित हैं।
Well, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Yasha Kotak. A very good morning, Yasha. What more details do we have about this gruesome incident that took place, and the accused still remains on the run? Does the administration and the police on the ground have any more information?
Details that have emerged in this case, in fact, speak about how there have been 3 teams that have been formed to catch hold of this accused. Now, this accused, like you rightly mentioned, is on the run after he stabbed the victim in this case. In fact, this incident took place on a Friday at around post 2 a.m. was when the cops found this victim's body near Uran station. Now, it was also mentioned as part of the investigation that this very victim used to work in Belapur, had taken a half day from her work, and following which she'd gone missing. In fact, details in this case also speak about how the victim and the accused in this case were in an affair, and following which things had gone wrong between the two of them, and which is where he killed the victim, the accused killed the victim. Now, of course, there are several political leaders who have alleged that this is a case of love jihad, particularly, and following which, after killing the victim in this case, the accused has gone missing. Now, several teams which have been formed, in fact, cops also say that possibly he could have gone to Karnataka. Now, several teams which have been formed to catch hold of the accused in this case have also gone to Karnataka. In fact, it was when we spoke to the bosses in Uran police, they happened to mention how this was a case of extreme brutality. The victim in this case was stabbed with a knife in her chest. Apart from that, several body parts were mutilated before the body was dumped at Uran. So all of these are important aspects that cops are looking at. In fact, against the accused, they've also leveled Section 103 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. All of these are a part of the investigation. Considering the fact that the accused is on the run, cops are trying to get hold of him, while the body has been sent for post-mortem on Friday, and following which the further detailed reports in this case are awaited. Yes.
Right, Yasha, thank you so much for highlighting those details. Well, these are the details that we've been tracking this morning of